I'm never incompetent.
Let's start with how you handled the COVID situation.
COVID? How I handled that? How me handle that? How did I handle COVID?
2 words. Government, badness. And then there was NIDS. How you forced the people against their personal rights. Not to mention SSL, not to mention the Traffic Act, and last but not least, the most trivial of them all. When that young fella said, "I'm not going," you called the entire force to get this young man from underneath a bed. What was that?
And I stand by that. Disrespectful and illiterate behavior will not be tolerated in this society.
That's the arrogance we're talking about, Minister. Hence, the no confidence votes.
So him not see him incompetence. Him deny the
Minister.
Him not see him incompetence.
Marcus, narcissists never really do.
Maxine, I suppose you have something planned how to handle this situation and what to do. Or is it that you don't know what to do?
Well, there is one thing that we could do.
We, Maxine.
Oh yes, we. Unless you were planning to separate yourself from all of this.
I'm afraid to ask. Jesus, Maxine.
But you need to ask. Because you definitely need to know what is it that we plan to do.
Okay, Maxine. Tell me what we plan to do.
Good. So this is what we'll do. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to dig up all the dirt on everyone in your administration, and we're going to watch who votes against you. Then we're going to threaten to send all their dirty secrets right into the media houses.
Why me always give you such a hard time, Maxine?
I don't know, Marcus.
That is brilliant! So devious. I love it.
We have to do this to save your position. Remember, this is not kindergarten stuff. This is big boy stuff.
Hey. But Max, as much as I love everything that you just said, I'm a bit concerned for your safety. Aren't you afraid to be marked?
Afraid? Me? Marcus, you know I'm never afraid of anything. But I am going to want you to let them know that should anything happen to me, or I die suddenly in my sleep, or I catch the flu, or whatever else may happen, just know that all their dirty secrets will make its way to the headlines. Marcus?
Maxine, what's wrong?
Achoo! I think I'm coming down with the flu. You know I don't bluff. See ya!
Oh, Jesus. Maxine. Brilliant though.